Number 1.
1997 Ford F250, price $9,500. With only 110,000 miles on the odometer, it has been clearly well cared for over the years, and its condition reflects that attention. It's becoming increasingly rare to find a truck of this vintage that remains so clean, dependable, and well-maintained, making it a standout choice whether you're a collector seeking a solid example, a contractor in need of a trustworthy workhorse, or simply someone who appreciates the rugged charm of a classic Ford build. The truck features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and runs on gasoline,
Providing ease of use and dependable performance.
It comes in a tasteful tan exterior paired with a matching tan interior, offering a classic look that still holds appeal today. A clean title is in hand, and both smog certification and registration are fully up to date, meaning this F250 is road ready with no additional steps required.
Number 2.
1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. This truck runs, drives, and shifts exactly as it should, making it a great choice for city cruising or weekend adventures. Under the hood, it features a dependable small block 350 V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, delivering smooth power to all four wheels through a working 4x4 system. The truck also comes equipped with headers and dual exhaust pipes, adding a throaty performance sound. The body and frame are in good condition, with solid floor pans and no major structural issues. While it's not a show truck, it still presents well and turns heads wherever it goes. All lights and turn signals are fully functional, along with the windshield wipers and heater, making it practical for regular use. This 1986 Chevrolet 1500 comes with a clean and clear title, is a turnkey vehicle, and is ready to hit the road today.
Number 3.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, with 283,000 miles under its belt and still running strong. Powered by a dependable Chevy V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, this truck continues to deliver reliable performance. It features a gold exterior and matching gold interior, giving it a timeless, cohesive look that stands out on the road. The extended cab offers generous interior space, providing both comfort and practicality whether you're hauling gear for work or taking it out on a weekend adventure. Its 4x4 capability ensures it can tackle all types of terrain with confidence, from job sites to off-road trails. Running on gasoline and backed by a clean title, this Silverado has been well maintained throughout its life, making it not just a rugged workhorse, but also a solid candidate for someone looking to restore or customize a classic full-size pickup.
Number 4.
1997 Ford F350, price $10,000. This truck is a well-maintained heavy-duty pickup that stands out for its excellent condition and remarkably low mileage. With only 84,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is powered by a robust 460 big block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features rear-wheel drive, making it a reliable workhorse capable of handling tough jobs with ease. The exterior is finished in a vibrant red, complemented by a clean tan interior. The paint is in excellent shape, so well kept that it still shines even when dusty. Recent updates include a full tune-up and a new set of tires, ensuring it's road-ready and dependable. Additionally, it's equipped with a brake controller, making it ideal for towing.
Number 5.
1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. Under the hood, it features a freshly built 355 cubic inch V8 engine, fitted with a mild cam and a Pro ignition distributor, delivering a smooth yet powerful driving experience. The truck is equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain, making it capable both on and off the road, and it comes with an automatic transmission for easy, relaxed driving. Aesthetically, this Chevy stands out with its sleek silver exterior, complemented by a vibrant red interior that adds a bold contrast and classic appeal. It has been updated with a late 1980s front clip, giving it a more aggressive and refined look while maintaining its vintage roots.
Despite its age, the body shows very minimal rust, a testament to its well-preserved condition. Running on gasoline, this truck not only looks great but performs reliably. Number 6.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,700. This truck is a solid and stylish pickup with 178,000 original miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 5.3L V8 engine and equipped with a smooth automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive truck offers both performance and reliability. The exterior is finished in a classic blue, while the interior features a clean tan color scheme that adds a touch of contrast and comfort. The Sierra has been lowered and fitted with brand new suspension components, enhancing its stance and handling. To complete the custom setup, DS18 speakers have been installed all around, delivering an upgraded audio experience. Running on gasoline, this truck is a great blend of utility and style, making it a unique option for any enthusiast or daily driver.
Number 7.
1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, with just 50,000 miles on the odometer.
It features an automatic transmission and sports a vibrant blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, running on gasoline.
One of the standout modifications is the 12-inch lift, which raises the truck significantly, combined with massive 38-inch tires that give it a commanding presence on the road or off-road. Underneath the hood lies a heavily built 350 engine, equipped with a big camshaft that provides strong power and an aggressive performance profile. This setup makes the truck capable of handling tough conditions and delivering a thrilling driving experience. Despite its rugged build and powerful engine, the truck is described as more of a recreational vehicle, a toy for enthusiasts rather than a practical daily driver. It runs and drives well, but due to its modifications and setup, it's not ideally suited for long-distance cross-country travel.
Number 8.
1969 Ford F100, price $7,000. It has traveled 83,000 miles and features a manual transmission. Its exterior and interior are both finished in green. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a robust 360 V8 engine equipped with roller rocker lifters and a performance camshaft. It maintains the original factory 4-speed transmission. The engine is enhanced with an Edelbrock intake and water pump, alongside a Holley 650 double-pumper carburetor for improved fuel delivery. Performance is further boosted by Hedman headers and a stainless steel exhaust system fitted with Flowmaster mufflers. This F100 rides on American Racing 15-inch rims wrapped in Goodyear Eagle tires, which are in good condition. It also features a chrome oil pan and alternator, adding to the truck's polished engine bay appearance.
The ignition system is upgraded with an MSD ignition for reliable starting and performance.
The truck uses manual steering and brakes, though the brakes currently need some attention. The vehicle holds a clean Florida title.
Number 9.
1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It is equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a manual SM465 transmission and a 208 transfer case, delivering a true vintage driving experience. The truck runs and drives well, supported by a solid frame, cab, and floorboards, showing its structural integrity despite its age. The exterior and interior are both finished in red, giving it a bold, consistent look. While it does have some dents and dings, as seen in the photos, these cosmetic imperfections reflect its working history rather than detract from its character. It's not a show truck, but it's a strong, reliable driver. Recent updates include new exhaust manifolds and Flowmaster 40 series mufflers, enhancing both performance and sound.
Number 10.
1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has 89,000 miles on the odometer and features a manual transmission, making it a favorite for those who enjoy a more hands-on driving experience. The exterior is finished in a bold blue color that complements its tough appearance. This truck is equipped with a rough country lift kit and sits on aggressive 33-inch tires, giving it a commanding stance both on and off the road. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 small block engine paired with hooker headers and a 3-inch exhaust system, delivering a deep and powerful sound. However, it currently has a blown head gasket and will require mechanical attention before it's road ready.